Hello everyone! So today I want to share with you the new upgrade of the Aitrim. As you can see here we have two machines, they work in the same way, but this one has a little upgrade. You can already see that this machine is made of two sheets of plexiglass and 3D printed parts, but this one is fully made of 3D printed parts and is a little bit more compact. I will show you in details all the improvement that has been done for this new model. So I will take the camera and show you in details one by one all the improvement that has been done for this machine. Okay, the first upgrade was about end stop of Z-axis and X-axis. Now the Z-axis and the X-axis is not to be connected to the tip of the endmil. So the X-axis will be activated, the end stop of the X-axis will be activated from the touch of the mount of the spindle, and in the same way the end stop of the Z-axis will be activated from the base of the mount of the spindle. So this change has been done because of the angle of the spindle, because when the tip of the endmil touches the button, it can happen that it's turned clockwise or unclockwise, and maybe can touch the top of the endmil, of maybe the middle of the endmil, and it will not give a so precise position. So it can be change of 0.2 millimeters maximum, but still these 0.2 millimeter maximum are important and can give us a better cut of the aligner. So this one is the first improvement. The second improvement is about springs. So right now we have springs connected directly to a 3D printed plate, and you don't regulate the level of the rotary axis from the lower part, but directly from bolts that you can reach from the upper part. So the last improvement is about the possibility of turning this way or this way the rotary axis, and we made this wall on purpose to make the calibration perfect perpendicular position to the endmil of the rotary axis this way. So we just touch this wall with the endmil, and checking further and back we can understand if there is a small rotation of the base of the rotary axis, and locking the screws, the bolts that are here, we can fix the position to have the endmil completely perpendicular to the trimmer. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that I explained all the improvement of the version 1.1 of the Aitrim in the best way, in the best possible way. So if you have any question, any doubts, write me in comments or write me directly by mail. Bye!